Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to completely wipe and format a drive before reinstalling Windows. So let's say your current Windows installation is giving you some disk errors and you're not sure if it's the physical drive itself or maybe it's just some file system corruption and you want to reinstall Windows, but you want to make sure that the drive is really formatted and cleaned up. So of course you could boot to your flash drive, go through the wizard, and then when you get to the hard drive part, you could delete the partition, have Windows make a new one and format it, but it's going to do pretty much a quick format, and it's going to be not as thorough as what we're going to do. Okay, so once we're here at the main screen here, after booting to our Windows flash drive, we just need to press Shift F10 to get to a command prompt. So the first thing we need to do is type in DiskPart, all one word. So now we're at the DiskPart prompt. So now we need to list our disks, so we'll type in list disk. So this shows us the hard drives on the computer. So this only has one. So if you have more than one, make sure you know which one you're working on so you don't format the wrong one. All right, so we're going to select disk 0 since that is our only option here. Okay, so now we're going to clean it, which will wipe all the partitions, volumes, just kind of make it a blank disk again. Okay, so that's clean. So now if you're running Windows 11, you need to make a GPT. You still can use GPT for Windows 10 or MBR, but we're going to make ours GPT since we're doing Windows 11. So convert GPT. All right, so we selected our disk, we cleaned it, we converted it to GPT. So now we need to add a new partition to it before we can format it. So we're going to do create partition primary. So you don't want to do create primary partition, it's create partition primary. Okay, so now that we have this partition created, we need to give it a drive letter. But first we need to select the partition that we just made. All right, so I know it's partition 1, and you could also type list partition to see the partitions, but there's no need to do that here because it's the only one we have, and it's not partition 0 like it does for the disks. Okay, so now we need to add a drive letter, so we'll just use drive letter C. So assign letter equals C with no spaces there. All right, so now we have our new partition with our drive letter C, so we can move on to the next step. So we're going to need to first exit DiskPart, so you can format within DiskPart, but not using the method that we're going to do. So exit. All right, so now we're going to type in our format command for the drive letter C. All right, so we have format C : space / file system is NTFS, which is the default for Windows, space P : 1. So we're going to do 1 pass of zeros on the drive. So this switch here kind of helps clean things up and reset some things. And you can change this to a higher number like 2 or 3, but the higher the number, the longer it's going to take since it's going to have to make some more passes. So we'll go ahead and press enter. So it's telling us all data on the drive will be lost. So we'll say yes to continue. All right, so this will take several minutes here, so I'll pause the video and be back when it's done. All right, so the format is complete, so we could give it a volume label if we want. Let's just say Windows, enter. All right, so now that's done, format complete. So we'll just exit out of the command prompt here. And now we could just continue on with the installation by clicking next. So we'll just go through this part till we get to the drive setup. So agree that everything will be wiped. No product key. Let's say Windows 11 Home. Accept the agreement. All right, so here is our disk with our new partition with our label, which we might have done for nothing, and I'll show you why in a second. So when you try and use this disk, watch what happens if we click on next. You might run into this problem. where it says there is an error selecting this partition for install. Please select a different partition or refresh selections. So if this happens, what you could do to get around it is to kind of restart the installation again because you're kind of stuck here. And then you could delete the partition and let Windows make its own. So since the drive is already formatted, it's not going to change anything about that. So let's kind of close this out here. All right, so let's go through this real quick and get back to the disk configuration. All right, so now we're going to delete this partition here. And you can either click on Create Partition if you want to change anything, or just click on Next and let Windows do it for you. So we're going to use the whole drive, so we'll just click on Next. All right, so here's our summary. Install Windows 11, keep nothing, click on Install, and now we're back in business. So of course, like I said, this may or may not fix your problem depending on if it's a physical problem with your disk or just a file system problem with Windows. But if you want to do a more thorough format, you could try this method. All right, so I'll put all of the commands in the description so that way you could run them all. And like I said, you might not have to do some of them if you run into that problem, but I guess you'll find out when you do it yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.